Let's go over one of the problems in Module 5 quiz. We're actually just adding fractions, except they're rational expressions. So we have x plus 3 divided by x squared plus 2x minus 24. And we're adding to that x plus 8 divided by x squared minus 3x minus 54. Now before we can add fractions, we have to have a common denominator. So let's factor the two denominators. So the first one, you have x plus 3 over. It's not one of our special cases, so we'll FOIL it. But what you know, you're going to have two binomials multiplied. First term in each will be x. And then we have to look at the negative 24, find two numbers that multiply to make negative 24 and add to make 2. So that would be 4 times 6 is 24, and then their difference will be the 2. Well, the 24 is negative, but the 2 is positive, so that means I need the 6 to be positive, so that when I multiply negative 4 times 6, I'll get the negative 24, and then when I add negative 4 and 6, I'll get 2. So if you FOIL to check, you can verify that that worked. Alright, then I'm skipping a little space because I know what I'm going to have to do next, but we will factor the second denominator. Alright, so this one, again, is not a special, so we'll FOIL. We know the x's will be the first part of each binomial. And now we're looking at negative 54 and trying to find two numbers that will multiply to make negative 54 and combine to make 3. Well, 6 times 9 is 54. And since the 54 is negative and the 3 is negative, we'll make the 9 negative and plus 6. So now you have x squared plus 6x minus 9x would be minus 3x, and then minus 54. Now look for your common denominator. Okay, the denominator is going to need a factor of x minus 4, a factor of x plus 6, and a factor of x minus 9. So my first rational expression needs to be multiplied by the missing factor of x minus 9. The second one needs to be multiplied by the missing factor of x minus 4. And of course we have to multiply numerator and denominator both by x minus 4 to prevent changing the value of the expression. So now if I multiply x plus 3 times x minus 9, I'll have first x squared inside 3x minus 9x is minus 6x, and then minus 27, plus multiply x plus 8 times x minus 4. I'll have first x squared. Inside is plus 8. Outside is minus 4x, so that will be plus 4x. And then 8 times 4 will be minus 32. 8 times negative 4. Now in the numerator, combine like terms. So x squared plus x squared is 2x squared. A minus 6x and a plus 4x is a minus 2x. And a negative 27 and a negative 32 is a negative 59. And all that is still over my common denominator with the three factors, x minus 4 times x plus 6 times x minus 9.